Hello CNC Router users. In this video, I am giving a demonstration on form machining. You can see it can be used to cut different shapes and also depend upon the different variety of materials, like in a form, a sponge type material or more hardened material in a polymer composite or any such kind of things can be machined with CNC Router. So you can see here how beautifully we can do this process using a CNC Router machine. The main thing is that the kind of tools what we have to use to machine this particular material using this particular machine. You can also see that the RPM and the feed rate also plays an important role while machining this material. Now it's depend upon whether you want to do a pocket milling or if you want to engrave or if you want to cut or make a marking on this particular material. So the software what we can use for this kind of application is not going to affect the material machining method, but the options available may be varied, but the machining is mainly depend upon the tool and the different machining parameters what we give for machining this particular material. And many people find it very struggling and they find it hard to get a very clean cut on form sheet. So the main reason is that they didn't select the right kind of tool. The material that you machine, also the quality varies, the composition of the material varies, and there will be a little bit of variation in the machining output. And you can see the form is used for different kind of applications, and the kind of profile we have to machine using this CNC router machine on form sheet is varies depend upon the applications, whether we have to make a profile cut or we have to create a deep carving so that we can use it in packaging or applications or any other kind of industrial applications. So the right quality cut is mainly depend upon the tool and the different machining parameters what you used for machining this particular material. And you have to also see the quality, I means the behavior of the form sheet what we have selected and how the cutting quality and how dense it is and all those kind of things, so that we can decide the right kind of machining parameters and tools to cut this material perfectly. Please subscribe this channel, and also for more knowledge you can join